Louise and David, moving can be very stressful. Let's work together on this. You want to make sure you take your time so that you can make good decisions.
Steve, we agree. We have lived here a long time and we have to go through all our belongings.
I know of a reputable moving company that has a great program. For just $360, they will professionally fill 10 boxes and store them for you for 60 days, all for the $360.
It sounds like a good plan. Thank you for your understanding. It will greatly reduce the stress. Boxing up accessories and some furniture will unclutter the home. Make it look more organized, make the rooms look larger.
Yes, for $360 for 60 days of storage is a good plan.
When you're ready to get started and we can set it up.